If you're like me, you're always looking for more storage in the garage. You could argue that's because I have too many tools and other things in there, but I refuse to believe that. Here's a storage option that you can find for cheap if you're willing to do a little hunting for deals. This is a lateral file cabinet. I think it's a great way to store bulky items in the shop, and I was able to get this one for $40 at a Habitat for Humanity store. My local Habitat stores usually have a lot of office equipment, including file cabinets. Some people like using regular file cabinets for garage storage, but I think lateral files are a better option. The reason I like lateral files more than regular file cabinets is just the way they're set up. On a regular file cabinet, you have to pull a long, skinny drawer all the way out to get stuff at the back. In a lateral file cabinet like this, I just think it's easier to access everything. Another thing I like about these is the form factor, just the way they're shaped. It makes it easy to fit them in a lot of different places. I have this one here under my workbench. I use this for storing bulky stuff, things that are just too big for your average toolbox drawer. So here in the top I have mostly woodworking tools, a couple angle grinders, those kind of things. The lower drawer is pretty similar. A few corded drills, some automotive tools, that kind of stuff. So if you want to get one of these, what should you look for? Well, the first thing is a cabinet that's decently made. This is a Hahn branded one, so it's really heavy duty and well made. Hahn still makes these, and I think they're made in the USA, and they are not cheap. But that's not to say Hahn is the only brand you should look for. Anyone that's well made will work just fine. Here's one of the specific things you should look for if you're shopping for these lateral file cabinets. Just because you find one that feels heavy duty, that doesn't mean it's ready for prime time. This has ball bearing slides on the drawers like you'd find in any decent quality toolbox, and this is what you want. Cheaper ones have plastic wheels that support the drawers. Those are okay, but these ball bearing slides are better because they can support a lot more weight. The cheapest file cabinets have friction slides, so the drawer basically just rides on a metal rail. Now, these are different from a regular toolbox. They're not built the same way, so you can't move them around as easily. You have to set them in place and then adjust the feet so it's squared up and the drawers open and close properly. Lateral file cabinets are not as common as regular file cabinets, so you may have to do some hunting to find one. But there are good deals out there. Like I said, I paid $40 for this. But these are not really a replacement for a regular toolbox. They're not great for storing smaller things like hand tools. Regular, shallow toolbox drawers are better for that. So what do you think? Would this be a good storage option for you? What storage tips do you have? Let me know in the comments below. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button and that like button. And thanks for watching.